Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the series of DevOps project. And if you have been following this series, you already know that there was a first project that we created and this is a follow-up project for that. So in the first project, whatever we created was created manually, and every setup that we did manually. So if you can see on my screen, this is the Oracle VM Virtual Manager and we call it as VirtualBox as well. So this we created for web, which is manual, for the application, for RabbitMQ, for our memcached, and then for DB. So these are the VMs that we created manually. Now in this project, we are going to do everything in an automated fashion, and that's what I'm going to explain you in this video. Now before moving forward in this video, if you are new over here and have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly do so. So without further ado, let us understand what is we are going to do in this video. Okay, so first of all, I would like to explain that if you are new over here, then this is the first project that I created. So I'm in the playlist of my channel LogicOps Lab. This was the project DevOps real-time project. And then if you go in my series, that playlist, this was the video in which I announced, and these are the prerequisites that you need to know for this project. And if you're jumping over here, then I would really recommend that you should go over this series first in order to understand it. Okay, so these are the prerequisites. And this is the multi-tier application that I have explained in this video, which is this one. You can click on it and understand what is going on. And this is the tech stack that I have explained. So I hope you guys will go through it and understand the project. And let us understand how do we go forward. Okay, so let me open a folder over here. And if you have downloaded it, then it's perfect. Otherwise, it is available on my GitHub account. Okay, so this is the place we are here right now. And do a right click over here and go to show more options. Now this can be different in your operating system because this is Windows 11. You could have been using Windows 10 since quite a lot of time. So this can differ, but you have to open get bash over here. Okay, so this is what we are going to open, and let's see what happens if we do things over here. Let me open it like this and let me open it like this. So right now we are in the desktop DevOps project 1 vProfile project Vagrant manual provisioning. Okay, so right now we are in the local setup branch. In order to confirm that, what you can do is get branch -L. L is for local. So we are in the local setup, and that what we have been using. Now I'm in the manual provisioning setup. Right now what I have to type over here is Vagrant destroy. That's all I have to type it over here. My spelling is wrong. Now this is perfect. Hit enter. Now let's see what happens. Now this command is going to destroy each and every VM that we have been creating or we have created since the first project that we are going to do today. Now this is going to ask you that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You just have to accept it, and then it is going to ask you a few things. I'll just give yes, because it is asking me that, are you sure you want to destroy the DB01 VM? Yes, I want to destroy. It has again asked that we are making some changes over here. I'll just click yes. You might not be able to see that on your screen because it is coming from somewhere else. I have just given yes on everything. Again, it has asked me that you just have to give the pop-up that yes. Okay, and that's all you have to do. So once you give it yes, it will again ask you for a few permissions. Now I'll put a photo of this so that you guys can understand that what exactly it has been asking in this video, so that you can understand it. Okay, now let me click on yes again. It is going to ask a lot of things, and you can see that the VM for DB has been deleted from here. Okay, so this is one thing that you need to notice. Now again, it is asking for the memcache. So let me just give Y over here, and it will take again a lot of time. I'll just fast forward this video. Okay, now you can see that it has deleted the application, which is memcache VM. Now it is asking me for RabbitMQ. Okay, so I'll just give yes over here, and then let's see what happens. It is again going to ask me a few things. So let me fast forward this as well. Okay, so this is done. Now it is asking me for app VM. I'll give again yes, and you can see over here that the VMs are disappearing from over here because we have given Vagrant destroy, and now I'll give Y over here. It will destroy the app VM as well. Okay, as you can see that it has removed that VM as well. Now it is asking me for the last one, which is web01, which was for our web. Okay, I'll give Y over here, and it is going to again ask me for a few pop-ups, and then I'm just going to approve it and fast forward the video, and let's see what is happening over here. Now if you can see on my screen that it has deleted almost everything from here. You can see that all the files have been deleted from here, and right now there is nothing present over here. Okay, and if you'll go over here, you can see all the VM were disappeared from here. Why? Because we have been running this Vagrant destroy, and it has asked for the permissions, and this is done. So all this is completed. So this is the first step that you need to take in order to create stuff, in order to create an automated way of creating VMs and doing things, and that I'm going to explain in the few videos that are going to come next. This is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, so guys, if there is any problem, if there is anything that you need to know, feel free to comment below, because this can be a problem. Sometimes VM does not get deleted, and make sure that all the VMs are off when it is happening, and then only move forward. All right, and if there is an issue, feel free to comment below and we will address that. So thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.